A credit analyst is like a financial detective within the banking and finance world. They play a crucial role in assessing the credit worthiness of individuals, companies, or entities seeking loan or credit. Their job is to meticulously examine financial data, credit reports, and other relevant information to determine the risk associated with lending money. They assess factors such as borrower's ability to repay, their past credit history, and the purpose of the loan. With their expertise, credit analysts help the financial institutions to make informed decisions about whether to approve or deny the credit applications. Their work impacts not only the financial institution's bottom line but also the economic well being of borrowers. In a constantly evolving financial landscape, credit analysts need to stay up to date with economic trends, regulatory changes, and market conditions. Their role is very important for responsible lending and risk management, so it makes them an integral part of financial industry.